In this video, I'm going to show you how to create products in the product library in Hubspot. How to create products in the product library in Hubspot. In order to do that, you first need to head over to your Hubspot and click on Sales. After that, you can see right here all of the things that you can do. You just need to locate the products itself by going over to the Commerce as well. Click on this Create a Product right here in order to create it, or you can also import. In my case, let's try to create a product. After that, this will load in order to show you the next steps. Just fill out the details such as the name of the product. Let's for example add it right here. Also input right here other options such as SKU, product description, the product type, as well as the billing details right here. You can also input unit price for this case. On our case, let's input right here and sell it at around 49. But on this case, also input your unit cost. Can see right here already the margin. After that, click onto this Create in order to create this product. Once you're done, you can see your product added right here directly. That's it for this tutorial. If this helped you, give the video a like, subscribe for more HubSpot tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.